Hi everybody, Tammy here, welcome to my channel, and yep, I got another Ellowyne Wilde doll. I couldn't resist. Rachel Hoffman had a set of these. Actually there were some Ellowyne Wildes, some Nemas, and some Grace dolls, and soon to be some clothing for these dollies available. And I just couldn't resist this doll. And I'm glad I got her. She actually ended up selling out pretty quickly. As I'm filming this, I actually, let's see, I purchased her last Friday. Today, oh, it's not even a week since I ordered her and she arrived, so that's pretty cool. At this point in time, she has sold out. This is the Romantic Possibilities doll. However, there are some other dolls still over there. I think the basic Nemas have sold out. But yeah, so if you're interested at this point in time, you might want to still check over there. But yes, let us see what she looks like. Is this the top or the bottom? This is the top. Look how pretty. We have her poem here. Each of these dolls has sort of like a little story with them. And this is the poem. I'll just leave it there for a second if you want to read it. There's a little illustration of her. And here she is in this little floofy, ruffly, girly dress. Now she has supposedly some sort of different face up in that it's some sort of gloss on it or something. But yes, we have her shoes here. These are probably going to be a challenge. They tie around her ankles. But let me go ahead and pull this out. Oh my gosh, she's so, wow. Look at this. I love the color scheme. I love the you know, her hair is just, in the photographs, is just amazing. Oh, there's her necklace. So she has eyelashes and she has painted eyes. She does not have inset eyes, but yeah, beautiful face up. Really, really, really stunning. And like I said, she's got some kind, I'll try to remember the name of it and I'll probably maybe put a comment or something. I'll roll it by here for you, but yeah, she has some sort of like a effervescent look to her face, supposedly. I had asked if she was tan, because in the photographs it kind of looked like she was, and I was told no. But she definitely isn't super fair-skinned. And you can see like there's sort of a shine to her. I think you can see that. In person, she's kind of got like a shininess to her. All right. So they have her tied in here. Let me take this out so I don't space out and forget it later. I love this hair color. Beautiful hair. Just a little necklace. It's like an opera length necklace on her. It's got a little spring ring clasp. She is probably going to be a display doll. I don't see me, I just really like the look of her. She reminds me a lot of one of my Nema dolls that has the beautiful outfit that I just decided to keep as is. Sorry girl, you're not going to get your clothes changed a lot because you're just perfect as you are. She has some stockings and looks like some undies. So that's nice. And here's her stand. I hope I have a good stand. The last couple of stands I have gotten have not been the best. One of them I couldn't get to work at all. And the other one is like kind of vicarious. It's like it moves around a lot. So the bottom of it is in here. But let's go ahead. I think I have her. Oh, her hands are tied down. She's just so frilly. Yeah, she gives me kind of a, you know, a little bit upscale boho. Maybe you could say. Because you know how I like that. Oh. Plastic off her. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Beautiful face up. It is kind of strange that, like I said, there's like a shine, especially her chin. Yeah, she's got a, I don't know if it's coming off, but like there's a shine to her face that I like. It's good. Look at this hair. Look at that hair. That is the coolest. That is neat. And it's, you know, I wouldn't say it's like, it doesn't feel like it necessarily has product in it and that it's funky feeling. It actually is pretty soft. But obviously you're not supposed to be, I'm not going to brush it. I mean, this is one of the highlights of the doll to me, is this unusual hair like this. But yeah, somehow it's been crimped, sort of. And she's got these little, I don't know, pom-pommy looking things on each shoulder and long strands. And this is part of the dress, yes? Let's see her back here. Yes. So it's like a belt. And this is snapped. 3 snaps. She has her panties. Okay, and her stockings. These are sheer, but they're like textured a little bit. And she is gorgeous. Now I would say it would have been nice. I think it would have been a nice touch if they had given her permanent pearl earrings or little diamond studs. Those would have been pretty. Little diamond studs would have been really nice. And I know, so everybody's like, oh, you can you know, you can just pierce your ears yourself. I don't want to do that. Okay. A doll like this, I mean, she's not like crazy expensive, but she's not a Playline doll. She's a collectible doll. And certain types of dolls like that, I do not feel comfortable doing things like that to them, because I think it decreases their value. You know, that's like with, you know, for example, you know, Blythe dolls. I have a large number of stock Blythe dolls, more stock than fakey dolls, and I have the fakey dolls so I can do stuff to them. Okay. The stock dolls, I'm not going to do things like that to them, because like I said, it decreases their value, and you know, you could damage the doll if you screw it up, and I would not want to do that to her. But that's my only criticism. Otherwise, she's beautiful. Look at that. She's got is really, oh, I really like the paint on her fingernails. She also has painted toenails. The finish on her, she's just beautiful. Her eyes are really well done. They're painted, you know, of course, inset's always better, but I guess they don't do this anymore. Her eyelashes are perfect. Those are, you know, attached. Those aren't painted. Those are the real deal eyelashes as far as being 3-dimensional. And yeah, I really struggled with, you know, I did a video even where I talked about whether I was going to get another Ellowyne Wilde doll or not. And I mean, I had the funds for it. So I was like, but it was, you know, I don't know. I have a lot of dolls now and I really enjoy them. But sometimes I feel like, you know, I question myself. Do I really need another one? But this isn't a hobby where you need something. It's a hobby where you like something. Okay, and I really like her, and I kept thinking and thinking and thinking about her, and I had a lot of really good response from a video I did where I asked people, you know, how they made a decision about getting a doll or not, and then I just said, yeah, I'm gonna get her. Because, you know, if you don't get her, you're going to regret it. And then these dolls in particular, these Ellowyne Wilde dolls, they will go up in price in a ridiculous time. So, yeah. All right, so I'm going to put her stand together. So I still got to get it out of here. I'm going to get her stand and slide out of here. Hopefully the stand works. Let's see. Let me go ahead and do that on camera. Fingers crossed. Will it fit in there? Yep, looks like it's fitting. That's good. Promising. Yay! Like I said, I have one stand that, and I know people are like, oh, you could tell them to replace it. You know, Rachel doesn't have like a whole bunch of extra stands and stuff. These come with the dolls, and it's not that big a deal. I just have them leaning against the wall. So, and then here. So this stand looks good. Yay. All right, so I'm going to get her necklace on, her shoes on, and come back and take a quick video of her all together. She is amazing. Let me know in the comments down below, do you have any Ellowyne Wilde dolls? Have you thought about getting them? Yeah, what are your thoughts? These are big dolls, by the way. I don't know if you're familiar with them, but they are about 16 inches tall. So if you have something like an American Girl doll, you can imagine they're almost as tall as an American Girl doll. This is not Barbie. Barbie's way smaller. In fact, just to give you a scale, there's Barbie. Okay. Here's a Barbie. So these dolls are quite a bit larger. All right, let me get her on her stand and get her shoes on and her necklace on, and we will take another look at this beautiful doll. All right, I got her on her stand. Yeah, let me adjust the camera here a little bit. You can see her. Got a new little setup. Whoops. She looks amazing. She's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Really like her. The stand is nice. Yeah, those shoes. Hold on here. Let me change the camera. So these shoes, I think I have them on the right feet, the correct feet. I do think that there's a left and a right. I tried both sides, but you can still see there's quite a bit of gaposis here. And I had to kind of really stretch it. I almost kind of damaged it. Yes, you can see like a little boo-boo there. That's from my fingernails. Trying to cram these on. Looks like I need to fix her tights there too, her pantyhose a little bit. So the shoes probably, I don't know, I wish they fit her a little bit better. Definitely, I get how they go with the outfit though, so I think from a distance it's not a big deal. This tie, I think I'm going to flip this around to the back. I'm not loving it. There's a lot going on because we have these ties here from the sleeve area, so I feel like maybe there's a little too much here. So these definitely need to be kind of behind her. All right. But yeah, she's gorgeous. I mean, she doesn't, like, supposedly she's not tan, but to me, she kind of has a sort of glowy tan to her. I mean, I guess in my book, because I'm so fair, to me, she looks a little bit on the tan side. But yeah, in fact, maybe I'll set her next to another doll and we can take a look at that real quick. But let's take a look at her. Let me flip her around a little bit. You can see. This dress is very well made. It's really pretty. Lots of ruffles and floof, and, you know, like I said, sort of an upscale boho-y look to me. But I think if this was around, because this is not attached, I could just push it. You know, it could be on the side or it could be behind her or something. But yeah, let me do that, and I'll bring another doll out to do a comparison. All right, so she's in the center. This is Romantic Possibilities. This is White is Right or something like that. You can see they have a very different, even though they're both blondes, her blonde is more like a honey blonde, like a, you know, it's got like shades of reddish a little bit in it, and hers is more of a much brighter blonde. And so you can really see how her face is kind of shiny now versus more of a matte finish. And of course she has, you know, this girl's got freckles and everything. So very different doll, but yeah, I guess she's not really tan. And when I show her, so because here's another doll, she had red stock. I can't remember what, she's red something or other. And they kind of have, let's see, similar skin tones. So maybe it's just the fact that she's kind of shiny that's given me that vibe. But yeah, I got another Ellowyne Wilde to add to my little group. So here she is with my other Ellowynes and my Nemas. And yeah, she looks gorgeous. I might have to rehome these American Girl dolls because they're getting elbowed out of here. At the very least, I'm gonna have to find a different spot on the shelves for them because we need more room for Ellowyne and Nema. Ooh, fix your skirt there, girl. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of her in the comments down below. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.